What to do if AirPods don't fit properly in your ears. Here I will give you tips and solutions. A user inserting AirPods into their ears, but they keep falling out. Are your AirPods not fitting properly or constantly falling out? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore simple solutions to make your AirPods fit snugly and comfortably. Let's dive in. Scene 1 is identify the problem. The first step is understanding the problem. Everyone's ears are shaped differently, and AirPods might not naturally fit snugly for everyone. Whether it's a loose fit or discomfort, there's a fix for you. Scene 2 is adjust the AirPods placement. Start by adjusting how you insert the AirPods. Instead of placing them straight in, try gently twisting them into your ear canal for a better seal. Most important, change the angle of the AirPods. Instead of the stem pointing down, insert the bud and move the stem to where it is pointed more towards your mouth. This small adjustment can make a big difference. Now I'll be showing you. Scene 3 is use silicone ear hooks or covers. If adjusting the placement doesn't work, consider using silicone ear hooks or covers. These accessories attach to your AirPods and help them grip your ears better. They're inexpensive and easy to find online or in stores. Scene 4 is switch to memory foam covers. For AirPods Pro users, switching to memory foam ear tips can improve the fit and comfort significantly. Memory foam expands to match your ear's shape, creating a secure and comfortable fit. Scene 5 is consider custom molded tips. If you're still having trouble, custom molded ear tips might be the best solution. These tips are made to fit your ears perfectly and offer unmatched comfort and stability, especially during workouts or extended wear. Scene 6 is, for example, using silicone covers during a workout. For example, I often use silicone covers during workouts. Before, my AirPods would fall out with every movement, but now they stay put even during intense exercises. Scene 7 is alternative option, which is switch to another model. If none of these solutions work, you might want to consider switching to a different AirPods model or even another brand. AirPods Pro offer customizable ear tips, while some other earbuds are designed with adjustable ear hooks for better fit. And there you have it. Whether it's adjusting the placement, adding accessories, or upgrading your gear, you can find a solution to make your AirPods fit comfortably. Let us know in the comments which method worked best for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.